Hey, everybody. I am here with our keynote speaker, Carlene Sue. She is coming to Mogul Mastermind to do something very, very special for us in the world of infill. She's going to do a case study on one of her purpose-built rentals. Carlene, can you give us a little preview on what the audience can expect?
Well, I've been doing these projects for a few years now and a number of them as well. And so, there's a lot of questions that investors have, and it really is one of the most, like, what I focus on are the stacked townhomes, 8 units in total, developments, purpose-built rentals. And, I really think it's one of the key strategies in these next 2, 3 years. So I'm just going to share some things that I've learned and just provide some examples of the projects and some numbers and just, give people an insight into what is all involved.
Oh, I can't wait. I mean, just like you said, I completely agree that the next 2 to 3 to 4 years, these types of properties are going to be in such high demand. We've heard all kinds of municipalities across the country talk about the missing middle. This is it, folks. And Carlene is being so generous by showing us a case study of one of these things she's actually built. This is A+ information because we're going from the high level to the actual ground level of how to build these things. So Carlene, let me thank you in advance for your generosity to share a bit of your playbook. And for everybody that wants to
Sure.
come, make sure you use the link to sign up. Carlene, I can't wait to see you there.
Me too. Looking forward to it.
Hey everybody, I'm here with Ilko Franken at Franken Homes, one of the most respected infill home builders in Edmonton. He's actually live on site at a project right now.
Hi, James.
Hey Ilko, looking good back there. It looks like the construction came together perfectly.
Yes, we're actually at one of the sites right now. We are just cleaning it all up and probably ready for handover here in the next couple of weeks.
Beautiful. And I understand that is a sixplex on a corner lot.
This is a sixplex on a corner lot here in Terrace Heights, the first multifamily here in Terrace Heights. People weren't too happy with us because we were the first ones, the pioneers, just to get out here in the community. But I've been getting some great positive feedback actually from the community. They really were impressed by the colors, just the overall building and everything. Even our neighbors, they were first, no, we don't want it, to from yes, we understand that it's really adding to the community.
Oh, that's amazing. And well, the nice thing about it is you're adding what's called the missing middle that the City of Edmonton is so excited about. And that's what Ilko's coming to talk to us about at Mogul Mastermind, our recent changes to zoning and bylaw with the city to make it even easier for us as investors to build this type of project. Ilko, can you give us a little teaser as to what you're going to teach everybody?
Well, I'm going to be not just teaching, and we're going to have a conversation on what is coming up and what the city is thinking, from where we want to be in 5, 10, 15 years from now. And I'm really going to throw it out there from when is the last time that you visit a city council meeting? When did you spend the 7 hours to go through it and pick these guys' brains and see where they want to go and everything? And if you've never been to a city council meeting, well, these are the guys, right, that are controlling what's going on in the city. These are the guys that change.
There's going to be some serious inside information coming to us from Ilko's way because he takes the time to be at city council, talk to the decision makers, and know what policy changes are affecting our ability to build infill. So Ilko, I could not be more excited to have you come and speak at Mogul Mastermind. Everybody, make sure you click the link and get your ticket, and we will see you in a couple of weeks, buddy.
Awesome. Can't wait.